Hello everyone, my name's Emily and I'm with myclosetrocks.com where we sell pre-authenticated designer fashion. Today I'm going to do a review of the Fendi upside down belt bag. Now I have kind of looked for what other people's thoughts are on this bag or videos and I haven't really found many, so as soon as I got one in stock I wanted to do a quick little video about the features of the bag, how you can wear it, what it looks like on, and if it is worth the high price point. First, I'm just going to show you a close-up of this kind of like Barney purple. It has this luscious FF puffy logo everywhere, which I love. And it has gold hardware. The front pocket opens and whoa, nothing falls out, just a phone pocket. It has a center pocket, so this is the main compartment. There are no other little pockets in there. And on the back, it has the removable gold chain strap and the removable adjustable belt. Really quick, I just want to show you what fits inside of this main compartment, just for a little reference point. So I've got like a Chanel like medium wallet fits in there, like a Louis Vuitton small agenda fits in there, and a couple of other things, but just so you can kind of see what the interior capacity is. All right, so there's a couple different ways you can wear this bag. So with the chain strap, you can have it as a shoulder bag, looks like here, and you can also have it as a crossbody bag. I'm about 5'4". It hits me a little below my hip, so it might be a little too long for some people. I think it might be a skosh too long for me, but I don't mind that much. Then with the belt, it can be worn like this, kind of crossbody with it in front or on the side, or you could wear it as a waist belt bag, and you can adjust it a lot, which is nice. So here is the tightest. It does have two little leather pieces to keep it in place wherever you put it, so that's kind of nice. So here's what it looks like on. Keep in mind this chain is really like the heaviest part of this bag, so if you do want a lighter bag, you remove it, it is way less heavy. So it's on me right now. I personally don't think it looks that good on me, just because it is a little bulky, but I know some people wear belt bags super well and it looks really good. I just cannot pull them off. All right, now I'm going to show you the phone pocket. So you click this, it opens and nothing's, oh my God. I feel like something's going to fall out every single time I open this. But it is just a phone pocket, and it even tells you that it's a phone pocket in case you forget. So this is my Pixel 5 with a case, and it can fit in here just fine. It's a little shallow, so it doesn't fit super far, but it is very secure if you do pop this lock back in. However, it is kind of a pain to get your phone in and out to open and close this, because it does take quite a bit of pressure to open it. So because I'm a lazy person, I just like to slide it in here. And because it's kind of a thicker phone with a case, it's not really in danger of falling out, luckily, and there you go. All right, now let's talk about the price point. It is $3,390 US. Fendi, I think, can be a little ambitious with their pricing. Obviously, their bags are very cool, very well made, but this bag is just like way too expensive. And I think it is gorgeous, but luckily you can buy it secondhand and save a lot of money. Any of you guys own this bag? Do you use it a lot? What do you think? I want to know. I know it's been out for a couple years, but I just hadn't seen many reviews of it, so that's why I wanted to do one. But let me know what you think in the comments below. And make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you like videos about bags and reviews and authenticity and things like that. Thanks again for watching.